Hey guys, welcome to the next chapter in the series. So today we're going to be talking about setting up your website. So your website is extremely important when it comes to your photography business. It's literally your face on the internet. It's your portfolio. This is where a lot of companies and clients will go to before they hire you. I know there's social media, and we're going to talk about that later, but having a website is very important as well. All right, so we're going to take a look at my website. I'm going to show you some of the things that you should make sure you implement on your page once you build that up, and I can also share with you the site that I use as well. All right, so let's head to my website. Okay, voila. So this is my website. It's just Daniel Aria Photography. I use this service called Pixieset. You guys can look them up. I'll leave a link to them in the description below. This video is not sponsored, but they're very good, and it's a free service. They do have the pro versions, but for the free service you get a lot of value. So I'll definitely say if you want to build your website, go ahead and work with them. It's an easy drag and drop system. So this is my website here. Now, first of all, let's say you link your website to your Instagram. So someone wants to hire you, and you tell them, well, to hire me or for booking, click the link straight to my website, whatever it is. When they click that link, the link should direct them straight to your portfolio on your website, which is where you keep your best work. Now, notice how I said your best work. You want to make sure that you show them the best that you can do, depending on what niche you're in. So for me, I do a bunch of stuff. I do events, as you can see here, fashion, casual, like portrait shoots. I do professional headshots. You want the link to direct them straight to your portfolio page where they can go through your work, and then they can book you and all that good stuff. You want to make sure it's the best work you have. I would say definitely ask your friends, the ones who are going to tell you the truth. Give them a bunch of photos that you want to put on your site, and let them tell you or give you their opinions on them, because they're the closest thing to a regular client or random person on the internet who wants to book you. So on here, this is my event portfolio that I put on here. I mean, you don't have to put your entire piece of work, like I said, your best stuff. All right. This is a bunch of stuff. Let's go back. So I also have the fashion page. Okay. And when they come in here, they see the good work, and it raises the chances of them booking you, right, or working with you. So the fashion stuff. Well, I'm not going to go too deep into my other folders. I'm just talking about the portfolios for now. But the next thing that you should think about is your bio. All right. So your website is going to have a bio page where you briefly describe yourself to a client so they know who you are. Right. So let's go to my page. So it's on the About tab. So it has my picture on here. It says About Me, get to know me a little better. Now for your bio, you either want to be professional or you want to be a bit fun. You don't want to sound like a robot. So it can be something like, for the fun side, it could be like, my name is Daniel. I specialize in event photography. I've worked with these brands, da 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 da. I like to surf on my free time and skydive. Or you can make it very professional, where it's like, Daniel is a professional photographer who has worked with various brands across the country, such as Nokia, Apple, this and that, So if you look at my bio, it says the story of a photographer. Hi, I'm an Alexandria-based creative director and photographer. Welcome to university, blah, blah, blah. But in my free time, I love to skydive, surf, and ride jet skis. Sorry. And ride jet skis. I also enjoy anything with such as motorcycles and fast cars. So yeah, you can make it very personal and fun, so they can actually sit down and think, oh wow, this is someone I can imagine having a conversation with or having fun with. I put my other picture there as well. Now, so this is the front end of my website that everyone can see. Now with Pixieset, they have another page where, well, they have the back end where you can actually edit the website, change pictures, change links, rearrange different aspects of your website. Alright, so let's go to the contact page. If you remember in the pricing video, when I talk about asking for budgets, I put the budget question in my contact form for clients to fill out. Now you can see that your name, email address, and preferred date all have stars beside them, which means that they're compulsory. You have to fill them out so the form can go through. But the budget, how did you hear about me, and your story are optional. An optional piece of information that you can give to me. Like I said, 90% of clients tell me what their budget is, right? The thing is, you don't want to make every single category compulsory, because some people just want to get the information across to you. They don't want to use a lot of time to write up their story or whatever. Maybe they need you for a birthday, or they need you for a meeting, and they just want to send a message and continue with their day. So you don't want to make them fill out so much information. You want to make it as dummy proof as possible. You want to make it as seamless as possible. They come, they type in, and you're booked. Simple, right? So have your name, your email address, preferred date and month, your budget, how did you hear about me? I have different options here. Well, yeah, it's not going to show up here. This is the back end. I would love to hear about your story and what type of session you're looking for, and then they can send the message to me. So you can also use my website as a model when you're trying to make your own. That's perfectly fine, just so you're not confused and so you can go through the process a bit faster. Alright guys, click on this video to learn about social media marketing for your business. Well, before you leave, don't forget to leave a like down below, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you in this video.